In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix MacBook not working on external monitor. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, if your MacBook isn't detecting or displaying an external monitor, try the following fixes. Disconnect the monitor cable from your MacBook, then disconnect it from the monitor, then reconnect both ends securely. Make sure the monitor is powered on and verify the monitor is set to the correct input source like HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. And the next fix you could do is press the Apple menu, which is going to be on the very top. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this and then go over to System Settings. Now once you're in System Settings, go ahead and click on Displays and then hold the Option key if necessary, but click Detect Displays if that button shows up. And yeah, basically you just want to go ahead and click Detect Displays, and your MacBook is going to scan for any connected displays. Now what you can also do is check display arrangement. So open up System Settings, Displays, and then select the external monitor if it appears, and then make sure the brightness isn't set to 0, the display isn't disabled, and the correct resolution is selected. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.